In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add apps to your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to enhance your store's functionality or streamline your operations, adding apps can be a game changer. So let's get right into it and make this process as simple and intuitive as possible. First things first, you'll want to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice a section labeled Apps. This is your gateway to exploring all the amazing tools that can help elevate your store. Click on Apps, and you're inside the section where the magic begins. Now, once inside the Apps area, you have a couple of paths you can take. If you're not sure what you're looking for and just want to explore options, you can browse through the recommended apps that Shopify suggests based on popular picks or your store's needs. However, if you have a specific app in mind, you'll want to click on Add Apps, which will take you straight to the Shopify App Store. This vast marketplace is filled with countless apps designed to enhance every aspect of your online store experience. After browsing or searching, you'll eventually find an app that catches your eye. Click on its icon or name to dive into more details and understand what it offers. Read through the descriptions, reviews, and any pricing information to ensure it aligns with your store's goals. If you're satisfied and ready to proceed, you'll spot the Install button. Go ahead and click on that to initiate the next step. Now, this is an important phase. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel, where you'll be presented with a list of permissions that the app requires to function properly. This might include accessing certain data from your store. Take a moment to carefully review these permissions so you understand exactly what the app will be doing. If everything looks good to you, you can finalize the process by clicking Install once more to grant the app access to your store's resources. Hooray! The app is now successfully installed and ready to use. To find it, simply head back to the Apps section in the Shopify admin dashboard. You'll see it listed among your installed apps for easy access. As a pro tip, if you find yourself using this app frequently, consider pinning it to your navigation for even quicker access. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add incredible functionality to your Shopify store through apps. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to enhance your store's efficiency, performance, and customer engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy app hunting!